Greetings, viewers and subscribers. You're welcome back again on this platform where we tell you nothing but undiluted truth. Finally, the president of South Africa, Ramaphosa, is acting up, being remorseful of the xenophobic attack against other African nationalities living in South Africa. Listen to the one of the most hypocritical president I have ever seen. Watch.
As South Africans, we are deeply concerned and ashamed that nationals from other countries have in recent months been subjected to discrimination and ill treatment. I repeat, as South Africans, we are deeply concerned and ashamed that people from other nations, some whose leaders are here, were treated badly and were even forced to leave the country under threat of violence. The criminal actions of a few within our communities are a repudiation of the solidarity upon which this Southern African community is built.
You can imagine, this man is lying to himself and to the entire people that cares to listen to his gibberish, that he is remorseful. How? The man that is in support of it, the man whom we saw with these xenophobic leaders exchanging pleasantries and handshake, yet he couldn't stop them as a president. In Igbo language, we say, meaning that if you claim that your child have overwhelmed and overpowered you, you are deceiving yourself. And that is exactly what the president of South Africa is doing by gushing out this rubbish, expecting us to believe him, Abi. When did the citizens become immigration and police officers to enforce immigration laws in a country? When is it that even the police and the army have become suddenly powerless to stop their citizens? A few number of them, because they are not, it is not all South Africans that are involved in this. Just a few number of them that gathered themselves in frustration to loot and steal the efforts and the businesses of African nationalities living in South Africa. I'm telling you. So he should spare himself the lie, because I have found one man that can lie more than my own president in Nigeria, deceiving only but himself. But Africans are in the know. I am not going to be against anything that will stand against South Africa and their interest in any African country, if we have sense as other African nationalities. Let them go back and I think they are receiving, I think he's beginning, the weight of their calamity is hitting back at them. That is why he's coming out to do this damage control. Let him go back and fix what they have destroyed. And I can tell you, before they will come out of it, I believe they will get sense. I'm just speaking this as a true Pan-Africanist, because my desire is to see African nations standing strong together to defeat oppression of Western influence or pre-colonial or neo-colonial powers, their influence in Africa, so that we can have a sign of relief and have our place among the community of nations in the world. That is my vision and that is my drive. And this thing that they are doing in South Africa stands against what Africa should be. My name is Asuchinot Peters, your advocate for good governance. Bye-bye for now.